Hello folks, today I'm looking at a numpad from a brand called KiiBoom. It's a brand that I really like and currently own 2 keyboards from them. This is the KiiBoom Phantom 21. It's a tri-mode mechanical number pad with a multifunctional dial. In this video, I'll do a quick unboxing, take a closer look at the numpad, including the specs, switches and keycaps. I'll show you how to take it apart and show you what it looks like inside, and finally do a sound and a typing test. So what exactly is a numpad? Well, a numpad or number pad is exactly that. It's basically the numeric section from a full-size keyboard made into a separate device in order to have a smaller keyboard. So let's begin with a quick unboxing. This is the KiiBoom Phantom 21 box. Presentation wise, it looks really nice, and you know you're getting a good quality item when it's covered in a fancy branded velvet style cloth. So in the box you get the following: the manual, the Phantom 21 numpad itself, a USB type A to C braided cable, and there's a USB 2.4 GHz wireless dongle clipped onto the cable, a keycap puller, a switch puller, 2 spare switches, 2 spare screws, and a small screwdriver. So let's take a closer look at the Phantom 21, and I love the way this thing looks. It has a transparent acrylic body with a slightly smoked finish to it. This colorway is called black, but it also comes in pink, blue, clear, and purple. I really like this colorway because the gold dial and the legends look and work really well against the black transparent keycap and body. It complements each other really nicely. On the back there is a small gold colored plate with the KiiBoom branding and 4 black rubber non-slip pads. The design looks really fantastic, and from the side profile you can see it's got a nice angle to it too. It's a tri-mode numpad, so it connects via USB wired via Type-C, Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz with the supplied USB dongle. It's got a nice weight to it as well. It weighs about 0.4 kilograms and it feels like a proper quality item, well put together and solid. The dial is multifunctional. It's got a nice design to it as well, which ensures you get a nice grip when turning it, and it turns in incremental stages. You can feel each turn. It has a good amount of feedback. You can download software from the KiiBoom website that allows you to customize the dial. It can do things like zoom in and out, scroll up and down, and of course it can act as a volume dial. The Phantom 21 also has RGB lighting, and with the transparent body, switches and keycaps, it looks amazing. Here's a quick demo of all the lighting effects and colors. In terms of specs, here are the highlights. It's a tri-mode numpad connecting via wired USB, Bluetooth, or 2.4 GHz via the supplied USB wireless dongle. It measures 98 by 141 by 50 millimeters. It weighs 0.4 kilograms. The case is acrylic. The colorway here is black, but it also comes in blue, pink, clear, and purple. It's hot swappable and takes either 3 or 5 pin switches. It has plate mounted stabilizers. It has 2000 mAh battery. It works with Windows, Macs, Android and iOS. And there are 19 keys and 1 multifunctional dial. The Phantom 21 uses KiiBoom crystal switches. I have some over here. The KiiBoom crystal switches are linear switches. They offer a satisfying and smooth typing experience. I'll put up the technical specs on the screen, but these are really good, and the shine-through design makes them even better for RGB lighting, and it fits perfectly with the Phantom 21 case. The keycaps are also great. They feel nice and chunky. They have printed legends and ASA profile and are made from polycarbonate plastic. Overall, they feel really strong and durable, and they also fit perfectly with the Phantom 21 case. Okay, before doing the sound and typing test, let me quickly show you how to open the case up and show you what it looks like from the inside. Opening the case is really easy. You need to unscrew the multifunctional dial first. The screwdriver it comes with isn't able to do this. You will need a 1.5mm hex driver like this. The dial easily comes off. Then you need to use the screwdriver provided in the box to gently take out 4 screws from the bottom of the case. Then the top case should easily come off even if the keycaps and switch is still in place. This is what it looks like inside. Now, I'm not going to take it apart completely, but if you wanted to, it seems like a pretty straightforward job. Okay folks, we're almost coming to the end of this video, but first here is how the Numpad sounds and also how it looks next to the matching KiiBoom Phantom 81 keyboards. And that, folks, is the KiiBoom Phantom 21 Numpad. If you're looking for a separate numeric pad for your setup, then this could be the perfect choice for you. It looks great, it's built solid, has some fantastic switches and keycaps, and it sounds great too. Well folks, thanks for watching. If you're interested in the Phantom 21, I'll leave all the relevant product links in the video description below. Feel free to leave any comments or questions, and I'll do my best to come back to you. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.